AI just came up, and today I was hearing all the new things that are coming onto the ERP platform. I suddenly thanked myself. I said, okay, it's a good decision that we took, because AI is going to run on data, and that data needs to be validated. If you don't have wrong data, AI is going to give you wrong answers. Yes, it pulls the information from all over the world, but it doesn't tell you what is true in your organization. So the data that you provided from your organization, that's in your ERP, that's where you'll get it. It's instantaneous and it should be correct. So that's where we are now. As part of the journey, we had to automate a lot. We move, and we handle latex, and that too lakhs and lakhs of liters. There's a lot of liquids that we move around. A lot of any of you guys from manufacturing would know that a lot of people are involved in manufacturing. So the data they write in registers, you can't trust it. They say the temperature of the oven is 60 degrees. It doesn't work that way. It's either -10 or +15. So that accuracy we were able to bring with this journey with Ramco ERP, and what I'm seeing, if that can be realized within a short term, that will be wonderful. That will give us data on time and the accurate data, so that the management can take the right decision moving forward. Looking into the crystal glass is always what management is supposed to do, and if they don't have a crystal glass, there's nothing they can do about it. So our journey has been that. It has been long, but it's a good journey, and I'm sure all of you who have been here are customers of Ramco product, and you must have gone through the same thing during your installation or implementation stage.